onto our paid packs. Right, let's see who we get. Come on. Oh my God! It's Matter! I've lost my voice! Yes, mate! Yes, mate! Yes! Yes, mate, my pack luck, mate.
Do you want to open this pack then? This is going to be a good one.
No, it won't.
It's about the sort of time in the pack opening where it's time to get a good player.
No, I'll get someone good around 2,600. No, 2,600. I'll get something. Skip it.
The mic came out. I can't believe I got.
600k.
I'm sorted for the rest of FIFA, lads.
I told you.
Did I say Aguero yesterday?
Are you kidding me?
I've lost my voice. My throat hurts.
Schon vorbestellt für 40 € bei Amazon.de. Bisschen Schleichwerbung, Werbung, was das hier los? David Alaba, was ist denn los? Wen bringst du uns? Van Persie! Van Persie! Ja! Junge! Van Persie! Meine Eltern haben Ausgleich! Junge! Ich muss trinken! Ich muss trinken! Ich muss trinken! So! Van Persie! Du musst auch trinken! Das war natürlich eben nur Waldmeister-Saft.
Digga, mach mal alles hier richtig, ey.
Ich bin ein Affe, ich bin ein Affe. Ganz cool, Leute. Wir hatten mal ein bisschen Glück.
Final pack. All I ask for is Inform Ibra. That's quite a lot to ask for, but shut up. Come on. Oh my God! I am so done in my final pack. I get Inform. Yes. I got Inform finally! The entire time I was like giving Inform, and then in the last pack I get Inform! I'm so done! I am so done! Oh.